Hello everyone, I am Yakub. In this video, I am going to explain what is speculation and types of speculators. Speculation involves trading a financial instrument involving high risk in expectation of significant returns. The motive is to take maximum advantage from fluctuations in the market. In general, speculation means buying and selling financial instruments and getting profit in stock market. It involves buying and selling shares. Now let me explain types of speculators. Generally, speculators are classified into four types, that are bulls, bears, stags and lame ducks. Now let me explain each one of the speculators. First one is bull. A bull is a speculator who anticipates rise in the price of securities. He buys securities with a view to sell them in future at a higher price and thereby earn profits. In case the prices of securities fall, he loses. He has the option to carry forward the transaction to the next settlement by paying a charge termed contango. In India, a bull is also known as Tejiwala. He is said to be a bull because, just like a bull which tries to throw its victim up in the air, he expects to profit from increase in share prices. Second type of speculator is bear. A bear is a speculator who anticipates fall in the price of securities. He sells securities for the future delivery. He sells securities which he does not possess with the hope to buy the securities at low prices before the date of delivery. In India, a bear is also known as Mandiwala. The bear speculator pessimistic in nature. Next type of speculator is stag. A stag is bullish in nature. A stag applies for securities of a new company with the idea of selling them at a premium after allotment. His profit is the excess of the price at which he sells his allotment over the amount paid by him while applying. He expects that the prices of securities that he applies for would increase. The activity undertaken by a stag is not free from risk. The price of securities might decline after allotment. This situation can arise even in case of at par issues, but happens mostly in case of issues which carry in a high premium. The last type of speculator is lame duck. This refers to the condition of a bear who is not able to meet his commitments. A bear sells securities which he does not hold with the expectation that prices are going to fall. His intention is to buy them at lower price later and profit from the difference. On the fixed date, he may not be able to deliver the security as it may not be available in the market. The buyer may not be inclined to carry forward the transaction. In such a case, the bear is said to be struggling like a lame duck. I hope you understood types of speculators. Thank you for watching my video.